Hi everyone, it's Brad. This is video number 15 in a series of videos about Edpuzzle, and in this one, how to add your own video that you created. So you could select Add New, simply go ahead through, upload a video from wherever it may be. So if you select Up Video, you can go directly from a Google Drive or choose your own file. So that is awesome. However, you could also go ahead and record a video right from here. So if you select Record Video, you can see the webcam will come up automatically. If you want to take it off, you can do that. Tab, desktop, camera only. We're going to do desktop. You also have some options down in here. You can hide those options if you'd like. You can start recording. Now, something new is the whiteboard. So I'll just record the whiteboard for you here. You need to select it. And you can share system audio. I'm not for right now. We're going to select share. And you can use this just like a whiteboard. So if you need to explain something real quickly, you could go ahead through. You can see your options for colors. So if I was just going to do something as easy as this, you could go ahead and show that. So you could say, hey, this would be good for students to do. Just going through that this is 1, this is 2 items. What does that equal? You can go ahead through. You have these different lines as well, so you can see how this looks. Kind of fun. Again, you can change the color. You can go ahead in and disregard the recording, or you can go ahead and erase certain parts. You can also erase what you would like right in there, just like that. So nice to have that at your fingertips. I'm going to stop for right now, but you could also go ahead through, and then you need to add questions as you typically would with an Edpuzzle. But you could also go ahead and just record a video, just what's on your screen. So if you want to record a desktop and you wanted them to, let's say we're going to choose and start recording. We're not going to do a whiteboard. We're going to choose the entire screen. Here it is. Just a reminder, you can hide this for yourself. It's up to you. You have your options right over here. But what you could do is you could just, say if you were going to add a new class, how would you do that? So you go through and it's like add a new class. Do you want to create a class? Do you want to connect your LMS? So on and so forth. You can see the time is still down there. We're going to click on the X. And now what I'm going to do is just hit stop. When you do that, your video is ready to go and you can preview it just like this. A reminder, you can hide this for yourself. It's up to you. You have your options right over here, but what you could do is you could just, say if you were... So you can see all those options that are available for you. You can trim the video, trim or cut parts you don't want in the final video. And then just as you would, privacy, do you want it public, private, so on and so forth. And then add your questions and send it on like a typical Edpuzzle. So really just a nice feature to have a video component right there as well as a whiteboard. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.